So now I come to G. G for guarantee. But a guarantee, सर खुद बोल रहा है उसका सरकार का घोटाला सर, देखिए सर, थैंक यू, I would take that acronym. He's very good. Sir, G for guarantee, G for घोटाला, need घोटाला and a guarantee with zero warranty. Sir, PM announced demonetization and guaranteed black money. भैया कितना सेल्फ गोल दोगे?
हरा दिया था तो एक
कितना सेल्फ गोल दोगे? देते रहो। आपको ही डांट पड़ेगी।
आपस में बात करते हैं।
PM announced demonetization and guaranteed that black money would be wiped out. Sir, he failed. Sir, why I say guarantee with zero warranty? Why I say guarantee with zero warranty? Because PM announced demonetization. He said black money will be wiped out. Sir, this government failed. 99% of the black money came back into circulation and is in the system now. Sir, he guaranteed that terrorism would be curbed. Again failed. There has been 26 terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir in the last 6 months. Sir, guaranteed to create 25 crore jobs in 2014. Failed. In 2023, the government admitted that in the last 10 years, only 1 crore jobs were created. Sir, guaranteed everyone will have a house. The Prime Minister himself said that every Indian will have a roof over their head. Everyone will have a house by 2022. The Finance Minister proposed the construction of an additional 3 crore houses under PM Awas Yojana. Yet no mention has been made of 11,36,000 houses in Bengal that are still awaiting central funds, while the same money is being allocated to purchase aircraft worth 8,000 crore and construct palatial buildings as a part of Central Vista project worth 20,000 crores. And the poor people of this country still endure homelessness and remain without a roof over their heads. Still remains without a roof over their head. Another failed promise. So they guaranteed employment to the rural poor under Manrega, but failed. As I said, not a penny has been allocated for Bengal in the last 3 financial years following BJP's embarrassing defeat in the 21 assembly elections. So they guaranteed to turn bullet trains into a reality by 2022. Failed again. Now the deadline has been conveniently shifted and postponed to 2026. Sir, 1 kilometer of bullet train costs 200 crore. 1 kilometer of dedicated freight corridor, DFCs on the other hand, costs 25 crore. Sir, railway accidents today has become the order of the day. But the union budget presented yesterday makes no mention of rail safety or installation of anti-collision devices or Kavach in the passenger trains. Guaranteed to double farmers' income by 2022. It failed. Actual growth staggers at 3%. At this rate, farmers can expect their incomes to be doubled by 2035 or 2040. So they guaranteed that no home would be without electricity or water by 2022. So they failed again. They guaranteed to end terrorism. Failed again. More than 50 soldiers died in Jammu and Kashmir terrorist attack in the last 32 months. From 2018 to 2022, Jammu and Kashmir has seen 761 terrorist attacks and incidents leading to 174 civilian casualties. You make all the big promises, but you fail to keep them. You give all the guarantees, but those guarantees come with zero warranty. Sir, under this budget, one thing is clear. The only thing that is growing faster than price rise and inflation is BJP's list of broken promises and guarantees. So we have B for betrayal, U for unemployment, D for deprive, G for guarantee. मैंने बोला ना सर, ये एक्रोनिम की सरकार है तो मैं एक्रोनिम में ही जवाब दूंगा. तो बजट का B था betrayal, U था unemployment, D था deprive, G था guarantee. अब मैं E पे आता हूं. सर, E for eccentric. Modi ji's eccentricity has turned this government, or rather the governance, into a circus, sir, costing the nation dearly. Sir, his obsession with grandstanding and distracting the countrymen from the real issues, leaving India to pay the price for his dictatorial displays. Sir, he announced unplanned lockdown. The government's abrupt announcement of the national lockdown in March 2020 left citizens with only 4 hours to prepare, triggering a widespread chaos and hardship. So the unplanned and poorly implemented lockdown resulted in tragic deaths. Over 8,700 people, primarily migrant workers, on our railway tracks and roads. So now I come to farm bills. In 2020, the same Modi government unilaterally passed 3 contentious farm bills without any consultation with the farmers or farmer organization or any opposition party.
प्लीज इसको रिकॉर्ड को क्लियर कर लो। इस सदन में 5.5 घंटे चर्चा हुई थी, इस सदन में किसान विधेयक। हाँ,
हुआ है बिल पे कोई चर्चा नहीं हुआ है, बिल पे कोई चर्चा नहीं हुआ है
किसान बिल पर।
सर,
जब स्पीकर बोलता है तो बोलता है और वो सही बोलता है।
सर बिल पे
आप
कोई
correct करो
चर्चा
अपने
नहीं हुआ है सर। भाई उनका ताली बजाना खत्म हो जाए तो
नहीं
मैं
नहीं, पर माने
सर आपने ये सदन का याद दिलाया ना।
1 मिनट माने सदस्य,
सर आपने ये सदन का
एक
याद
मिनट
दिलाया।
माने सदस्य, जब मैं बोल रहा हूं तो मैं कभी गलत नहीं बोलता।
सर आप मुझे एक चीज बता दीजिए, इस सदन में जो लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं, एक सेकंड सर, इस सदन में जो लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं, 700 फार्मर्स मारे गए, उनको मौत की घाट उतारा गया। सर 1 मिनट, एक आदमी ने एक आदमी ने एक मिनट के लिए खड़ा होके उनके ऊपर श्रद्धांजलि दिया। ये आज ताली बजा रहे, इसीलिए ऐसा हाल है इनका। और सर 700 लोग मारे गए, ट्रेजिकली ओवर। क्या 700 farmers died. 700 farmers died. What did you do? You people have blood on your hands. You people have blood on your hands. You people have blood on your hands. In 2020, sir, this contentious farm bills were passed without any consultation with the opposition parties or farmers' organization. Sir, these bills sparked massive protests as farmers. सर मैं एक बात स्पष्ट कर देता हूं, एक चीज सर, ये जो बोल रहा है, मैं बोल रहा हूं बीजेपी से, मैं जो सवाल यहाँ पे पूछ रहा हूं इनसे, या मिनिस्टर को जवाब देना है, इनमें से कोई भी अगर जवाब देना चाहता है, कोई भी मीडिया चैनल चूज कर ले, मुझे टाइम बता दे, मैं आ जाऊंगा। एक हाथ लगे। मैं कह रहा हूं सर, इनका दम है, इनका सीने में दम है,
आप अपनी बात कहिए,
और अगर हिम्मत है तो ये
आप चुनौती मत दीजिए, आप अपनी बात कीजिए।
I am challenging them to come,
चुनौती मत दीजिए सदन में,
and debate with me.
ये बार चुनौती देना, या चुनौती सदन में नहीं।
Sir, harsh measures such as barbed wires, cement boulders, and iron spikes were deployed on the roads to block farmers from entering the capital. This reveals the true face of this fascist government. Sir, demonetization. In November 2016, the union government demonetized 500 rupees and 1000 rupees currency notes. Ostensibly, क्या?
आप
You don't know that the demonetization was done in 2016. Sir, this government demonetized 500 rupees and 1000 rupees note. Sir, ये मुझ पे आरोप लगा रहा है, मैं पढ़ के बोल रहा हूँ। पीएम टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर से बोलते हैं सर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर से बोलते हैं। डेटा तो मैं पढ़ के ही बोलूंगा सर।